Hello, I am Dr. Ema Kumar from DCE. In this video, I am giving some information about how to design a speech technology and introduction to a speech technology and idea to design multi-language speech recognition smart device controlling and in a speech recognition type of utterances and what should be the aim and objective while designing a speech technologies and the advantages of multi-language processing and its challenges in building a multi-language processor, how to develop the multi-language speech recognition, architecture of speech recognition application, applications of multi-language speech recognition and type of commands to control smart devices. Here I am giving an idea to design a multilingual speech recognition for smart device controlling. Before going to detail, I would like to tell that please subscribe our channel those who are not subscribed. Here I would like to ask one question, that is, what is speech recognition? That is, the speech recognition means the machine receives as its input a speech recording and it produces as its output a transcription. The goal of speech recognition is for a machine to be able to hear, understand and act upon spoken information. The main aim of a speech recognition system is to accurately and efficiently convert a speech signal into a text message transcription of spoken words independent of the device used to record the speech, the speaker assent or the acoustic environment in which the speaker is located. And then I would like to ask, what is multilinguist? The multilinguist is that while speaking, if a person is going to use more than one language and if he speaks this, that is called as a multilingual. And finally, in our designing, we are concentrating on multilingual speech recognition. The machine should recognize the multiple languages and understand, and it has to work according to that particular commands. Here we are concentrating on South Indian languages like Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi and English languages. The growth of speech recognition technology will reduce the language barrier among the people and state, and also it helps in maximum reaping of technology by the society. In globe, there are around 6,000 languages, but the application program interface of speech in Google Cloud or other application programming interfaces cover only 45 languages in total. Apple Siri covers 21 languages and it reduces its recognition rate for Indian languages or it fail in recognition. In India alone, we have more than 1683 spoken languages with more than 127 crore population, out of which the literacy rate is 74.04% as per the population census of India 2011. With so many spoken language, there is a huge language barrier between the citizen of India. Automatic speech recognition technology can be used to share information, knowledge within the society easily without even learning other languages. Hence, the development of multilingual speech recognition technology leads in removing or reducing the language barrier between the people and state. This technology even helps to physically challenged person, illiterate and to all community. Here, the speech recognition system can be classified into several categories by describing what type of utterance the algorithm have the ability to recognize. Those categories are based on the fact that one of the difficulties of automatic speech recognition system is the ability to determine when a speaker starts and finishes an utterance. The type of utterances are isolated word, connected word, continuous speech and spontaneous speech. If you go for isolated word recognition, usually require each utterance to be silent mode on both sides of sample window. It does not mean that it accepts single word, but only it means that it requires a single utterance at a time. The connected word system means are similar to isolated word but allow separate utterance to run together with a minimal pause between them. An utterance is the vocalization of the word or a words that present a single meaning of the computer. Utterance can be a single word or a collection of few words or a single sentence or even a multiple sentences. In the word level stage, each stored word pattern is matched against all possible regions in the connected word input pattern. An adjustment window is used to define a region in which each word in the connected word pattern may start and end for connected word record. Connected speech recognition must be capable of recognizing continuous speech. The difficult task is to create continuous sentences because such a construction requires special method to determine utterance boundaries. Continuous speech recognizer allow user to speak almost naturally, while the computer takes up the task of determining the content. Computer dictation and recognizing capability are basic to determine the quality of the computer of the work. Spontaneous speech is a natural sound and unrehearsed. A speech recognition system with a spontaneous speech ability should be able to handle a variety of natural speech features such as words being run together, some disfluences like ums and ahs, and even slight sluttered. While designing a multilinguistic speech recognition, one should keep their aim and objectives like this. Analyze and design a multi-language speech recognition system for smart device controlling through voice command. The device should be capable to recognize any specific regional languages. For example, we are considering like a South Indian language, major South Indian languages, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, English languages. The device should be capable to accept speech signal as input command given by using any type of microphone or a transducer, and the commands are also given in the natural environment. If we design a multi-language processing, we have a n number of advantages. Among those, if we design a multi-language, it will become a one single engine with a multi-language sources. It is much easier to maintain than several monolanguage engines. It is suitable for multi-language applications without the need for performing language identification to trigger to the appropriate engine and without the need for loading and switching between those engines. It enables code switching. It allows to counterbalance data sparseness of some languages by sharing data across all languages. In designing a multi-language processing, we have a lot of challenges. Among those challenges are, first challenge is how to build the speech corpus for different languages, how to build the acoustic modules and language modules, how to create one big phonetic characters of different languages, how to identify languages, how to build the one acoustic search engine. If you mention like that, there is n number of challenges, so we have to overcome all those challenges and we need to build a multi-language processor. Here I am going to give some idea to build the multi-speech recognition. The architecture to design the speech recognition system, it is showing that the front end and back end processing stage as well as application layer stage. In the speech recognition system, the front end processing does the work of end point detection or boundary detection in a given input wave file. Boundary detection is nothing but detection or segmenting the wave file into syllables, subword or word level. The feature is computed from that particular segmented waves and sent for matching processing. In the backend process, there will be a trained set of acoustic word module, language module and dictionary as word list using in that particular applications. The search processing will make use of this knowledge and construct the graph using structural information stored in the knowledge database, and it will compute the state probability for the feature extracted values using statistical parameters. Using this, it will be matched the best match and produce the output which is recognized word. Also, I am giving some idea about how to create a speech recognition applications. In the figure, I am showing the three stages as a separate diagram. It is the diagram is representing the word graph designing techniques. Second diagram is showing how to phonetic graph is derived using a diagram from a first diagram. And finally, the diagram is showing the language module HMM is designed or derived using a diagram, second one. Some major applications of multilingual speech recognition are transcription speech, creating text caption for movie or TV show, home-based applications like fan on or off, switch off or off, like that, etc. Issuing commands to the radio while driving, issuing commands to the smartphones and computers, issuing commands to locomotive vehicles, form filling, online web searching, etc. Translating one language to another languages. In this video, I would also like to give some idea about how to identify the commands or instruction to a controlling any device. I am taking here one smart device, how to control the smart device. The basic device controlling tools are that like make a video, make a voice, record a video, take a selfie or take a photo, turn on or off Bluetooth, turn on or off flashlight, turn on or off aeroplane mode, turn on or off Wi-Fi, turn up or down the volume, dim or brighten the screen, enable or disable system features like battery save mode, mute, so on. Set a timer for required amount of time, open help or any app, open website, set a time, weather and current information, or to know what time is it in Mysore, what is the weather in Mandia, and so on. Location and navigations, messaging and communication, organization and personal information, music and video or FM playing, traveling, conservation and calculation. Like that, you have to identify the importance which you require to control the smart device, and for those things you have to write the language module and speech recognition database need to be recorded. Finally, I would like to conclude you like that designing a multilingual speech recognition is a very difficult in a present scenario. Possibly, when the speech corpus is identified and designed in all the languages, we can design the multi-language. It can be possible to design one speech recognition system as a multi-language. One application program can be designed for a smart device to control via human voice in natural environment. This technology will lead to revolution in the field of speech recognition technology, and all the electronic smart devices can be controlled by voice, which help in maximum reaping of the technology by the society. I also listed some references which have followed to design this PPT and to recognize or giving idea about designing a multi-language speech recognition. I hope that I have given some ideas to designing a multi-speech recognition tools, so that I can understand that you can try to design the speech recognition technologies or a speech database for the other languages. Dear friends, you can reach us through subscribing our YouTube channel, our Facebook, Telegram link, website, email ID. Thank you for listening our video, and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you.